As someone who has always battled with cystic acne and all of that, I am so grateful my face can be like this today. So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So, let's just get straight to the point. So, first thing I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be using my tongue scraper. This thing is a game changer for me. Yeah, I thought it was all hype until I started using it too. I bet you don't know how much whitey stuff is stuck on your tongue. So you start using the tongue scraper. I can't even go a day without using my tongue scraper now because the first day I tried it and I saw all the stuff that came out, I was like, toothbrush is not just enough. I know. So oral care is very important. So when you're talking to the next person, you won't be smelling gross. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my toothbrush to brush my teeth. And while doing that, I'm going to exfoliate my lips also. I exfoliated my lips with sugar and honey. That's why it is so red. So you can see my tongue looking kind of pink. So that's the kind of color you want to get. And my lips is also representing well. The next thing I'm going to wash my face, and this is the part that helped me to get rid of my textured skin and made me gave me a smooth face rather. Like, if you know me, you know I've always had a rough skin, so getting to this place is a lot of hard work and a lot of consistency. If I can do it, you can do it also. Do you know what I did? I mixed my moisturizer into my soup together because my skin has been sensitive these days, and the soap is kind of stinging my face. So to reduce the stinging, I added moisturizer, and I added the moisturizer under my eyes just to give it more moisturizing effect. You know, when somewhere is stinging, when a product is stinging somewhere on your face, and you just put moisturizer like Vaseline, shea butter, and all of that on it, and the stinging just reduces. That is what I did here. I added moisturizer into my soap to reduce the harshness because my skin has been sensitive these days, and I'm just going to rub that all in into my face till it disappeared. Like, that's the way to use your soap if you want your soap to work. Using it immediately and washing it off, it might be good if the soap is too harsh, but if the soap is not harsh, like the way I just did it now, then you can leave it on your face for a few minutes, but you have to train your face for it. If your face can't stand too much, just do 5 seconds, work it up 10 seconds, 20 seconds till you can get to your level of endurance, but don't let it stay too long because it is wash off products, of course. So I'm just going to rub that in very well. So this is a tip for you. If you have one soap that it is too harsh, either body soap or face soap, add moisturizer into it. Find something that works for you, maybe oil moisturizer, or you can use cream moisturizer. Just add something to reduce the harshness, and you can use it on your face and see how it goes. But if you still feel like okay, you don't like it, you can stop. But after doing this, adding moisturizer into my face soap, then it has saved me a lot of wasting and all of that. So I'm just going to take my bait right here. So I use the same soap I use for my body for my face because the soap is not how would I call it, too ash. It is for face and body. It is a lightening soap, and it is well formulated. Like, it can be used for your face and your body. I use this day and night also. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to wash off and do all of that in the shower, and then after that I'm going to use my body scrub. This is the Kerbio Mist Fruit body scrub. Oh my goodness, this body scrub smells so heavenly. Like, it smells so good. So that I'm going to use that and scrub all over my body. It is a foaming scrub, so while using it, make sure you have a lot of water to rinse it off. I so much love it. It smells so good. So after that, I'm going to use my facial cleanser. This is after bath and after using my body lotion, because this is about face, right? So yeah, I've purposely focused on my face. I'm going to use my facial cleanser, which is Pure de Leon facial cleanser. I'm using the brown color because I'm acne prone, and the brown color is very good for acne prone skin. It can help you keep your acne on check. So I'm going to use this all over my face. These days, I don't use my cleanser on my neck again because the skin on the neck is very thin. You have to be careful, not because of now, but because of old age. So the only thing that goes on my neck these days are things that are mild and soft. So I'm going to use my toner, which is the Skin Doctor toner, the witch hazel and carrot. I tried the papaya and witch hazel. I didn't like it. It didn't work for me. I still have it at home. Maybe I'll try it later. But that's enough for me for now. And I'm going to use my snail serum on my face, my collagen snail serum, especially under my eyelid, to keep it in check from being puffy, from being dark. So always massage your moisturizers in very well to make it penetrate deep into your skin. So that said, you see I'm applying this on my neck because this is not ash. So after that, I am going to use my facial mask because it's been a minute I use my facial mask. So you can call it sheet mask also. So yeah, I'm just going to use this for extra moisture. And I like moisturized face. I like a very good moisturized face. I used to say it's a good moisturized skin is a oily skin. It is not a very light skin. It depends on how moisturized your skin is. That's what will determine how healthy people will call the skin. So I'm going to leave this on for some minutes and do some other stuff. Just make sure it is properly placed. This thing gave me a time, but we did it. We did it. So I am going to make sure it's properly laid on my face. Of course, there is essence in it. I use the essence. I mean, I pour this in another dropper pot too to be using it on another day because there's lots of essence in it, and all that must not go to waste. Okay, so I'm just going to do this for a few minutes, and I'll be back. So yeah, that's on. I took it off and yeah, my face was so moisturized. I love it. So I used the remaining serum in the sheet mask pack on my face to give it extra moisturizing effect. Of course, I love moisturized skin like I used to say. So to give it extra moisturizing effect, and I use it all over my neck. So let me tell you something. A secret to a good wrinkle-free neck is moisturizing early, like when you are in your 20s. So that is a tip. Make sure you always moisturize your neck. So I'm going to go in upward motion, and it is also like a form of massaging the neck. So I'm going to do that in a gentle motion, and I use the remaining on my hands also. So after that, I'm going to go in with my Beauty Formula Face Moisturizer. This moisturizer is not greasy. It is not greasy. It is just a moisturizer. You feel your skin is moisturized, but it doesn't make you sweat. It doesn't make you feel greasy. Like, it is really well formulated. I love it. And after then, I'm going to go in with my Always Bright face cream. I'll talk about this face cream in another video on how it works for me, what it did to my skin when I started using it. But of course, now the skin is getting better. If I can say glowing, then let me just say glowing. So I'm going to use a reasonable amount on my face, and I'm going to massage this real good into my skin because massaging products is how it's going to penetrate deep into your skin. Don't just massage small and expect it's going to go inside. Just go in circular motion for like few seconds, and then after then, yeah, that's how to just use your product. Don't just place it on the surface on the skin and think they are going to go in automatically. So I'm going to use the remaining on my hand, on my neck in upward motion. So this is my retinol. I'm going to dab it into my skin, like I am dabbing it into my skin. I am not rubbing it because I want it to stay in a particular place. So this retinol is very good for acne control. If you're battling acne, you want to get yourself a retinol, and all of that because it is very good. I've talked about that on my channel. Watch my videos to catch up on all these things. Always watch my videos and don't miss out. Okay, so I'm going to bed. I like smelling nice when going to bed, and this is a cheap fragrance because in this economy I don't want to be having an attack using an expensive fragrance to sleep. So this is a cheap fragrance, but trust me, it smells good. Like it smells good. And smelling good while going to bed can help you improve your sleep quality and just make you feel good while going to bed or smell nice, and it's going to make you sleep faster. So yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the skin, this is the girl. Hope you love it. Yeah, if I can have a clear skin, why not? No matter the cystic acne in your face, you can also have a clear skin too. So watch my other videos and catch up on all my tips, and I will see you on the very next one. Till then, please subscribe to my channel. If you watched up to this point and you've not subscribed to my channel, please just tell me what I do and let's settle this, okay? Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the very next one. Love you. Bye bye.